Retroflex is a central vacuum hose that automatically stores itself inside the walls within seconds. This innovative solution makes cleaning quick and simple to save you time. With Retroflex, your central vacuum becomes more accessible than ever. Whether you simply need to clean up a mess or wish to vacuum your entire home, a Retroflex hose is within your reach behind every inlet. The ergonomic and easy-to-pull handle starts the vacuum system in one single operation. When you are done, the suction power of the central vacuum will automatically retract the hose into the wall in just a few seconds. It's so simple. Convenient and compact, Retroflex retracts into the same piping network used by the central vacuum, not taking any added space within the walls. Thanks to the inlet's innovative design, closing the door will automatically turn off the system. Retroflex is available in 4 colors and finishes, making it suitable for every home decor. Retroflex, a quick and simple clean.